Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. At this location, you are looking at my Tainan 64 sweet potatoes. This was originally planted in August last year, and they have produced a bunch of sweet potatoes that are right underground here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these sweet potatoes up. I'm also going to take and remove these shoots off of all of the sweet potatoes, and then I'm going to put these shoots in with some paper towels and some water so that they grow roots, and then I'm going to put those in the ground. So I'm basically just going to follow the sweet potato vine down into the ground. I've never done this before, so we're going to have to learn together. And this is what I'm seeing. Wow, that's a little odd. Well, I guess that's how it happens. Here's another sweet potato right here, and then I'll just let these, look at that. That's different, huh? Setting those to the side, and I'll just keep doing that until this whole patch is free of sweet potatoes. Alright, I've removed all the vines and the sweet potatoes. This is the haul. Okay, these were placed into the ground, I believe, September of last year, which is 2021. And some of these are a decent size, but now this was a late crop, so really was just a tester to see what kind of yield we could get out here in what was pretty much full sun. I didn't like what it was doing, what the sun was doing to the leaves. It's basically scorching them every day, but we still got some production late into the year. So what I'm going to do with these is I'll just use them to either propagate further or, you know, sell them online or something. But this is the Tainan 64 variety. It's a great sweet potato to have. This year is going to be the real test. See how much yield we can get from all of these vines here. All I'm going to do with these vines is recycle them. I'll be putting them back into the ground. Not at this location though. I want to expand in a different location where it's more of like an understory, still gets a decent amount of sunlight. I am right next to my pool patio, and I'm just cleared this little area of all these leaves. For some reason, the leaves here in Zone 9B of Florida don't fall off the trees in November, December. They fall off the trees in February, March. So here we have loads of, detritus. Anyhow, I'm going to take this location and place the Tainan 64 sweet potatoes, the vines that I just pulled out of the ground from a different location. I'm going to put them in the ground here, and I think this location will do well. Alright, I basically just raked a few little trenches here, as you can tell, and I'm going to place the vines in each of these trenches, and then I'll water them in after I take some of these leaves and push them over the vines. Now I have the vines cut into like 12, 14-inch sections, stuff like that, and I'm just gonna bury them. And that's it. They're in the ground now, covered with dirt, and the leaflets are sticking out. Now we're ready for some leaves. And there the leaves are on top to keep the moisture in. Hopefully this summertime we'll get a lot bigger yield out of these sweet potatoes from this location than they were out in the sunny location. Folks, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.